All right, today I have a Ford F-150, and I'm going to show you how to remove the battery on a key fob in a Ford F-150. Now, you'll have a key fob battery in here. Occasionally, the battery will die, and it will need to be replaced for the key fob to operate. All right, you'll need to replace that battery. And I'm going to show you how to remove that battery and replace it with a new one. All right, so before we get started, could you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? If you find this video helpful, I'll appreciate it tremendously. So I have the key fob, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to first remove the battery. In order to do that, you have to first remove the physical key. All right, so in order to open it up, you're going to come up here, and you see this button at the bottom of the key fob. What I'm going to do is I'm going to press it, and it slides out like this. So here is the physical key. Now, if you look at here, there are two slots right here. There's one slot where the physical key goes back in, and there's another slot which I'm going to use the physical key to prop it open so I can have access to the battery. You may need to get another key if you have difficulty doing this right here or some other device. Some people use butter knife. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wedge this slightly between this crack right here, this crevice. And once it's wedged, I'm just going to simply twist it. See, twist it like that, and it pops open a little bit, and I'm able to have access to the physical key. There's a piece of tape on here to keep it from opening, so I'm just going to go ahead and remove this tape so I don't have difficulty to come getting in here. Gonna remove the tape. Now, I pried it open, remember, back to the regularly scheduled program. I'm going to go ahead and prop it open, and then I'm going to pull this out like that. Okay, so it popped out like that. Do you see this? Okay, so once you have this open right here, you're going to have to remove the battery. Now, you remove the battery, there's like little slots right here that keep the battery in place. Okay, you may have trouble getting here, but I'm just going to use my fingertips, and this battery should come out. If not, you'll need something like a ballpoint pen, which I'm going to grab for you right here. I have a ballpoint pen. And I'm going to take, there's a little slot right here. See another slot where we have a lot of slots we're going in right here. So I'm going to take this, and I'm going to take my ballpoint pen, and I'm going to go in here, and I'm going to pluck the battery out. And you see it just came up just like that. So I'm able to take the old battery, discard of it, get in the new battery. You can see right here, this battery right here says Panasonic. It's important to note that the battery type is a CR2450. And so I'm going to take the new battery, and I'm going to slide it in this way, actually this way, and I'm going to press it down. Remember, the flat side has to be facing upwards, and it's going to click back into place like that. And then I'm going to take the cover that I had, and I'm going to press it back into place. Make sure it lines up with the slots. Make sure it goes into the slot. And I'm going to press it in here. And one note, you'll probably want to clean off this rubber rim right there, because that rubber right there becomes dirty and it won't close properly. So I'm going to go ahead and place this in here. And then all you're going to do is simply just push this back into place. It snaps back into place. And then you're going to go ahead and take your physical key, and you're going to slide your physical key back in there like that. And that's how you replace your dead battery or a battery in a Ford F-150 key fob. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.